So, well, first unboxing. Well, this car, which is a Chinese one, well, there is no marking on it, what model it is. Company is called MZ. Well, it says four-wheel drive, shock absorption system, environmental protection, TPR tire, whatever that means. Powerful motor and gear second. USB charger 1 to 10 scale, like as if there is something for real like this. So I bought it from a toy shop in Moldova. Also found it on AliExpress and on eBay. Well, the price here was around $50. You can find it there for starting from $25, $26. Alright, well, it says it can do 30 kilometers an hour somewhere around here. Okay, let's open it up. Well, somebody actually opened it before. I have been to customs, so no cutting things to do. Let's see what we have here. How do you open up this thing? So it's not this way. Well, we do have some cuttings to do here on the sides, guys. Yeah, and let's see here as well. No, just that one. Oh, yeah, and this part. So. The car looks pretty cool. Really large tires. I think there's a spare. Alright, so pretty easy to open up in this part. On the sides, clearly been opened up before. Probably a shock. So yeah. This is it. Well, the box is clear on two sides. On this side has only, well, climbing, high-speed race car, whatever. But as I said, just a few details on how to put battery on, but nothing really. Well, about what car model is, I can find anything on the internet about it. Well, I did look it up, and that's why I said I should unbox it, because there was nothing there on YouTube. So, okay, the car, I don't know whether it's this, either is these protection foil. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, so there's a foil here, kind of seal on the car is fixed on the side and bottom. There's the remote here, which is tied up on the side. Have to be pretty careful with this. Sometimes, well, this wire, like stuff, metallic wire with a bit of plastic around it. Then you have to pull this out through a tiny hole there is in there, holding the remote. Well, the remote, I really have to say, it's very cheap plastic. 24G. It has, well, it said that it was multiplayer somewhere on the internet, which I don't think is real, because if you look here, which should have been an ABC right switch, there's nothing, there's no button, and of course this is a kind of fake antenna in plastic. I think, is it fake? Okay, be pulled out. No, it's pretty fake. Well, look. I can't pull anything, though it looks like a bit of a plug more than anything else. So it really feels cheap. So yeah. Alright, battery is already installed. It's looking for a signal now, switching it off. Battery is a, well, 9 volts Media Asia. Heavy duty, 6F22, I don't know, but still, even cheaper plastic here on the bottom. Let's hope the rest of the car is better. Okay, so putting this on the side. There's a small box, which of course seems to have been opened as well, where you can find what? Okay, so this is a USB charger. It's of course clearly writing "Made in China," and kind of a small wrench for the tires. Okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly what you open. Okay, yeah, it actually fits the tires pretty well. So to keep this safe somewhere, put this here. The USB charger. Well, it goes. There's a battery plug here with 3 pins, plus minus left or right, probably null in the middle. And so it's input 5 volts at up to 2 amperes. Output direct current 7.4 volts, 800 milliamperes. Okay. Good. Okay, let's. Okay, I'm touching this pretty good plastic actually here. It's not solid. It's very flexible, but it feels like good quality. This is tougher in front. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so I can open it. Look, it's clearly been messed with before. Same wiring, but only one side. So second side here there's no wiring. So be careful where you buy it from. Probably the guys at the shop opened it. There's no markings on the tires showing like somebody played with it. Alright. So pull that out of these things. Alright, so 2 more wires instead of 4. You get a car, that's the car. Okay, look. Okay, big tires. That wrench probably goes there. Well, it goes there because I tested it already. This is plastic. Well, it says racing all over the place. Alright. Okay, that's how you see it on the side. It's pretty big, so, well, by the way, that's me. That's my face. So this is how big it is. I'm not a very tall guy, but anyway. There's some nice pins here to open up the cover. The cover is not fixed, so it's mobile, which is good because it tempers some shock in case it actually goes fast. On the other side, you have it all in plastic. This is better plastic than the rest of it, so it's not that breakable. Okay, you've got here left and right trim for the direction, and then you actually need a screwdriver to open up the battery case. Okay, it's on the side. So we have 2 more boxes here. Let's see what's in there. Well, they're empty actually. So even emptier here. So these are just to keep it fixed. Okay, there's 2 boxes like this. Both of them empty. So, in all, when you put the box aside, what you get in the pack is very cheap plastic remote control, kind of a small wrench with 3-4 positions in plastic, which is nice, by the way. Okay. It goes here. You got the USB charger, and then you get a car. Okay, it's gonna be the what they call on YouTube satisfying moment of the day. satisfying video, I'm gonna peel this right now. I'm gonna probably paint it all black. I'm not very fond of this red stuff. But let's unpeel it. Or maybe I'll do that later and show you guys at the end. Well, no, it's satisfying, by the way. It is. So I kind of bought this out of a sudden. Didn't think about it that much. So I didn't do a lot of studies, and there's a lot of choices. My first so-called performance car. I actually need to see if I'm gonna like this hobby. And more airplane guys, but again. Put this aside. By the way, I have the habit of not keeping the boxes. So guys, well, I'm not a big collector myself, so I generally just use boxes. By the way, this is so crappy. Put in here, right after this piece of plastic at the end. I don't know if I can take this out. No, you can't, so you need to unpeel stuff from very narrow positions, which is very unpleasant and difficult. But actually, it looks nice. I'm not going to paint it anymore. It does look nice. I'm going to maybe put some stickers there to get plastic everywhere now. But yeah, I must say, the looks is very nice. It's actually transparent on the back side here. Let's unpin this. You get these small pins which hold the plastic to the body. Actually keep the body close and open it up so we can actually see what the car is like and finish peeling off this plastic. Look, so this comes out very easily. And it's on the inside. It's cheap. Well, they say it's not going to break, and technically you can actually take this part off, so you can peel it in a nicer way. But I really don't have a screwdriver here to do that. So I need to do it. I actually hurt myself with a bit of blood there. Do it like this, then that's it. That's all it matters. Now that's all that's left. Just a bit left there. I'm gonna have to take it later. Take it down with some tools. Yeah, but it looks nice. It's shiny. It's probably gonna scratch easily. So that's the car. Car body. Okay, on the inside, it's plastic. It's not waterproof, by the way. You got wiring here. You got one motor here. This is the electric motor. You got a bit of I don't know, plastic, probably circuits and controllers in front of here, and you get very big wheels. If you can see, like, if you turn one, they'll turn different, exactly the opposite way. Alright, so this is the front, this is the rear. It's interesting, but I want to put it here. So it's four-wheel drive car. One goes like this. Actually, even if you just move, okay, they'll move together, which is good. Okay, this is the direction motor. So left, right, front. So yeah, better like this. Okay, twisting. Now, well, it looks pretty solid actually. Suspension is nice, so try to show you this, how it works. And it's full suspension, four-wheel drive car. Well, it should do rock climbing. Now I'm going to try and understand where you actually plug it in to charge it. Okay? Because you should be able to charge it somehow. And, well, should refer back to that box. Because otherwise, I don't get it. Where you charge anything, if you charge it or not. So it's pretty heavy. Okay, so we're on. Look, there's battery. Good. So I'm going back to the box right now. And on the box it says that. Sorry guys, dropped it. It says that, well, you have to get the battery out in order to charge it. And to get a battery out, of course, I will need that screwdriver, which I don't have. So it's not provided with a screwdriver, right? I will have a screwdriver later. I will try and pair this, see what